Now, let me help you pick the good model for your next AI application that you're going to build. And it's same like if you are going to buy a cloth, you basically ask some good friend of yours and who is much better at the fashion sense, and you basically pick the shirt, t-shirt, or a sneaker, whatever you are going to buy, and basically you try also different kinds of malls if you do not find the best fit for yourself in a particular mall. Same is when you are picking a good model for your AI application. Now, there can be several factors that we can be looking at before picking a really good model for our AI application. But there are two major factors that I basically look at, and the first is domain capability. So, for example, you want a coding agent helper. So, I prefer to go with Copilot or Cursor AI because they're very good at giving coding help. And then there can be ChatGPT, which I prefer for more writing and translation tasks. Then I will be looking at generational capability, relevance, and factual consistency. So what that means is like for example, you want a model that is much more relevant to what document or what data you have already given. So for example, you already have a medical document data or a PDF or a summarizer if you are building, then you don't want global context, you want relevance to the context that you have already given. And same goes for the factual consistency. This can be more local and global. So for example, I am saying in my PDF it is written that sky is of purple color, and globally it is declared that sky is blue color. Then I want that particular AI or the model to specifically, if I am training it on my particular data, to say that sky is purple rather than saying it sky is blue. But in global context, it should say sky is blue. And same goes, for example, in if we are talking about in more global term, factual consistencies also, that if the particular model doesn't know about anything or the thing is not in its scope, it still gives me a relevant answer but rather does not make something. For example, if I say that I was born in the 19th century, that will be very wrong because I was born in the 20th century. So this is what factual consistency is, and a smaller model or a bigger model can also provide you a better output. A smaller model trained on your specific data could be much better than a bigger model. And the last is thing that I really consider is cost and latency. So for example, I want to really buy this H&M sneaker or H&M jogger, but I don't have the kind of money to purchase them. So what I will do is basically go for a more cheaper option. I want capabilities of a GPT-4 model, so I will basically look for, I cannot afford that kind of model because the API cost is too high, so I will look for more cheaper option or a smaller model, something that could fit my specific use case. If you like this video, please follow my channel. Bye bye.